Tags are critical to organizing your Lead Scout account for you and your team, so you can keep all your prospects organized and ordered in your account. So looking at an area that I've scouted in the Lead Scout, you can see I have a ton of prospects in this neighborhood that I've been out scouting. If I pull up one of these prospects and I scroll down, I'll see the tags section. Now I've already added a tag here. Now let's take a look. If you hadn't added any tags, we have a lot of your commonly used tags right here previewed before you ever add one. So you can quickly add one of those. Let's say there's a few layers of shingles on this. I can add that very quickly, or I can remove it using the X. I can also add custom tags or scroll through all of my tags. And I can add a custom tag by typing in a specific custom tag. So if it doesn't exist, I can go ahead and create it right here. Or I can add, like I said, existing tags. So add age 3 tab. Then I go ahead and save that. You can see those tags show up here. Now these tags are going to show up for your entire team. So everybody's going to be able to see these listed on this prospect. It's a really great way to organize your prospects so you can come back to those later, export it, sync it with your CRM, sync it to marketing tools like Dope Marketing or your Facebook account for advertising, and so on and so forth. If you ever have trouble, don't hesitate to click the tips in the upper right-hand corner, and that'll bring you to this Help Center article where you can actually see this video and all sorts of other tips about how to use tags, both on the mobile app and in the web application. So don't hesitate today. Start using tags in your account. I encourage you as an account owner to organize your tags in a very specific way and train your sales reps on how to use tags in their account. Give it a try today. Let me know what you think.